Okay, we are back. Got my webcam fixed. Uh, I'm so glad that my little microphone does not pick up any of the indirect conversations that's happening in my class. Uh, we are about to go over our matrix test. So if you're studying matrices, this will help you. Uh, Also, this is a reminder to any of my students that had to go back and rewatch this. All homework in Schoology is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. That is December 1st, 2002. Shh. There, as at the beginning of the class, there were 10 out of 29 students that hadn't completed any of it, and the test is tomorrow. Shh. So, all right. So, let's get on to this practice test. Now, okay. Shh. Now, shh. As I showed y'all the other day, I provided the brackets or whatever for y'all to write your answers. Okay. This first one is A plus B. So this would be 11, 10, 1, 6, 2, -3. Shh. Okay. Now, the other one is A minus B. So -5, -4, -13, 4, -12. Okay, this is 6 minus -9, so that's plus positive. Yep, 15. Okay, now remember, you can always use your handy dandy calculator to help you with some of these integer operations if you struggle with those. I would highly suggest that. Okay, we got some people writing some stuff down. That's good. That's good. Got some people. Some people may not be surprised tomorrow when they come in and see the desk are set for testing. That's good. That's good. It's going to be a good day. Going to be a good day. Okay. All right. Has everybody got 1 and 2 down? All right. Now, because I needed to copy this over for myself, I did. All right. So this is our scalar multiplication. This is 2 times A. This is 2A. Basically, I'm taking A, I'm multiplying everything by 2. Okay, that's it. Now, over here, this is 3B, so basically everything by 3. All right. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, at the very top of these directions, each one of these questions are 6 points each. The reason why, how many digits are in each one? 6. That way, if you happen to miss something, like if you were to, miss this right here, I'm only counting off that 1 point. You don't miss the whole thing. Okay. So that's how you can get some partial credit. All right. Since there's 4 problems, there's 6 points each. This first part is out of 24 points. So we have 24 points so far. I'm going to keep a record because I forgot how many points everything is. Okay. All right. So are we good with part 1? Yes, everybody's got 3 and 4 now. Anybody need some more time? Yeah. Oh, I just hit my elbow. I don't know why they call it a funny bone, because when you hit it, it's not very funny to yourself. It's funny to other people. Is that why? Okay. All right. So we all good now? All right. Awesome. Now, bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Now, all right. Now, let's see. This is 2, 5, that's 7, 11. All right. This section is out of 22 points. Okay. 22 points. Now, this may actually help some people because uh, I looked at the scores for the inverse of the matrix homework. Some of them not so great uh, because you kind of forgot the process. All right, first thing, the determinant. This is going to be 42 minus negative 14. Okay, it becomes 56. All right, that is worth 2 points right there. All right, setting this up. Okay, this is like, the reciprocal that was on the homework. So it'd be like 1 over 56. And then this right here is the augmented matrix. Okay, augmented means change. So we would actually swap the 6 and 7. And then we'd multiply this 7 by -1 and this -2 by -1. Okay, now, yep, really. The one, it's, we, to find the inverse, we take the reciprocal of the determinant. So we flip it. That it's one over 56 instead of 56 over 1. Yeah, it's remember, you swap. Okay, see how not that. These are swapped. Biscuits. Gravy. Okay? And then these we multiply by -1. All right. So now, when we multiply this, and I will try to double check for the test so that it may not be so crazy. All right. I'm going, hang on. Okay. This is, I'm going to have to say 1 over 56 times 6. Okay. And yeah, it reduces down to 3 over 28. Okay. Now, 1 over 56 times -7, that's the same thing. I could just go ahead and say -7 over 56. And I get -1/8. Okay. 2 over 56 should be 1 over 28. And then this one should be a positive 1 over 8 because, that was 7, that kind of thing. Okay. Now, so that is, here it is, 24, and this is 22. Okay. So I'll double check on the test to make sure that, hopefully nothing super crazy, but, potato, potato, or potato, potato. Just depends on how you see it. All right. Erase. Okay. So this is going to be another gross one, I can tell. Oh, that's a typo. Yeah. Uh, like I should have had this taken out, but this is going to be like -80 minus 1, so this is negative 81. And my dyslexia kicked in. I wrote 18. Okay, so that's determinant. That's 2 points. Now, setting it up, this is where we would actually say 1 over negative 81. Okay, this is the augmented matrix because remember it's swapped. So we swap the 8 and the 10. I'm sorry, negative 10. And we're going to multiply these negative 1s by negative 1, so we get positive 1. Okay? So 8 over 81. Oh, that doesn't reduce. So we're going to have negative 8 over 81. Negative 1 over 81. Negative 1 over 81. And I don't think 10 over 81 is going to reduce, but I'm just going to double check. Nope, it doesn't. This is a positive 10 over 81. Now, if you happen to write very large or you don't think you can get the answer in that spot, you know, write it to, if you have to sit there and write it to the side or something, or you could do it like this, it's fine with me. Okay. Don't try to, please, please, for everything that is good in the universe, do not try to do this. Okay. If I can't read it, I'm marking it wrong. Okay. Now, some of y'all, I've gotten fairly good at deciphering what the heck that y'all have written. It's kind of difficult sometimes. All right. So, are we good here with 5 and 6? Anybody need more time? Yes, no, maybe catch on fire, go somewhere warm, Mr. Jeffrey, something like that. Okay. Now, these are 2 points each. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. Believe it or not, this section is out of 10. Nope, it's not 10. 2, 4. 2 times 4. This is out of 12. Math is hard. Okay, so that means we have a total 24 plus 22 plus 12. 58 possible points. All right, this is what we learned yesterday. This is good stuff. Lots of fun. All right, X. X is in this spot right here, which is the second row, first column. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the second row by the first column. What is 6 times 3? 18. Yes, say it with like confidence. 18? All right. Y is in the third row, second column. So third row, second column. Some of y'all should be used to seeing this in the grade book. What? Oh, because it's a big fat 0? If it was a skinny 0, it would not be as fun. Well, yeah. I wanted to make sure, everybody could see it and know what's going on. Kind of like, when your homework's due tonight and there's a test tomorrow. All right. So X is right here. This is in the first row, second column. So I'm going to multiply this and this. That's 3 times 6 plus -1 times 4. So this is 14. See, Y is in the third row, first column. So this row, this column. So that is -6 times -1 plus -6 times 5. I don't know why it's so. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why the. Hey, I'm just glad that it's not like this. Okay. Yeah, I know. I actually figured out it was just the webcam cover. That made me feel great having a master's in instructional technologies and not knowing that there was a webcam cover on my laptop. What's wrong? Wait. No, it's not minus, it's plus. This is plus. On multiplication, it's plus. Yes. You're trying to do the determinant. A negative times a positive is a negative. Yes. I'm okay. I'm glad figured out the problem that it's you. That helps me a lot. All right. All right. So, number 9. Number 9, X is in the first row, first column. So, first row, first column, -30. Okay. Y is in the second row, second column, second row, second column, -12. All right. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, move myself over in the brighten screen thing. I don't know why it's like that. It's okay, though. I'm just a little bit more white than normal. Okay. Don't laugh at that. That's wrong. So, X is in the first row, second column. This row, this column. Yes, I know y'all love these. It's got these 3 times each other. Whoa. So this is going to be 5 times 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 5 times -5. 10 plus 12 plus -25. -3. All right. This one, Y, is in the second row, second column. So this is 1 times 2 plus 5 times 4 plus 0 times -5. Okay. 20 plus 0. So 22. What? Icing. All right. So, is this test very long? No, not really. What I would suggest is on your orange sheet to write down how you would do stuff. Each section's a little different. Okay? Don't if you can write an example like this, but I would actually put down what you do. Like it's a note to your future self. Okay? And here's another note to your future self. Let's take this time to work on our orange sheet for tomorrow or complete homework from this week. Remember, homework assignments are in Schoology. They're due at 11:59 p.m. tonight. Test is tomorrow. There is room for everyone on the nice list. Now, do not come in tomorrow surprised there is a test or homework assignments. Okay? It will not be a good day if this happens. Vin Diesel says he's an angry elf. Family. All right. Thank y'all for tuning in. I forgot, if you hadn't done so yet, hit subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, leave a nice comment. You know, don't sit on a throne of lies and don't be a monster. Okay. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.